So when you come not to your channel, but when you come to your normal YouTube, um, you click on you, which is your photo. You at the bottom, you click. You come to your email if you like. You click on under it. Then when you get here, go up. You come up. I think let me go back so that I can use my mouse to not do it again. So you come to the bottom, then you come here, just click at the top here, then come to the option, then share, then it will give you copy and share with us. Go to the class and then share. And share here, paste it here, and here we go, and it's done.